So hi children, so here we will continue with that fourth question. In that previous video we discussed up to 3 questions, no? So here in this video we are going to discuss that fourth question onwards from worksheet 2. Okay, so here what is that fourth question? If alpha beta are the roots of the equation 2x square plus 6x plus b is equal to 0. If b is less than 0, then alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is less than. Okay. So next let us see that question number 5. So what is that? The arrangement of following quadratic equations in the ascending order of their product of roots. So children, in that previous video we discussed that some of the roots we arranged that in a descending order. So here we have to take that product of the roots. Now we have to arrange the given equations in ascending order. Okay, which means small to big order. Okay, so let us see that the first option. What is that? Here A, first option is 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. So this is the given quadratic equation. Now here product of the roots, which means here alpha into beta. Okay, so alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So here c is equal to 7 by 3. 7 by 3. So here fraction form we got it, right? So just convert into decimal form. So which is equals to 3 to 6 point, and here 10 is there, no? So 3 3 is 9 and so on. So 2.33. Okay, and so on we will get. So leave that. Next, second one. What is that second equation? Root 3 x square minus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. So here again alpha into beta. So which is equal to c by a. So here c is equal to minus 8 root 3 by a is equal to root 3. So root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled, which is equals to minus 8. Which is equal to minus 8. Next, option C. What is that C? 6x square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here alpha into beta. So c by a. So c by a means here 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is equal to, here cancellations. So after converting into decimals, here 0 point. Here 10 is there, no? So 616 and here 4, which means here 40. Okay. So 6 is 36. So 0.16. Okay, that is sufficient. So and so on we will get it. Next, option D, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So alpha beta is equal to c by a. So 6 by 1, which is equal to 6. So children, now we have that all the 4 equations, it's a product of the roots, we have that. Okay, so let us see in order. So first A is 2.33, next B minus 8, next C 0.16, next D, that is 6. So here ascending order. So ascending order means small to big. So out of these 4, here what is the smallest number, ma? Here this is 6 now. So after this, what is the smallest number? That is minus 8. So minus 8. So next smallest number, that is 0.16. Next number 2.33. Next 6. Okay. Now options. Minus 8 is B. 0.16 is C. 2.33 is A. And C. I mean 6, that is D. So B, C, A, D. Again which one is ma? Yes, B, C, A, D. So option 1 is correct here. Am I clear, children? So in that question we find that here sum of the roots, and here we need to find that product of the roots. After just we have to arrange in ascending order. Understand, ma? So this is question number 5. Next let us see that question number 6. Yes, what is the question number 6 here? If alpha beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What they given, ma? Alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Next, alpha plus h, beta plus h are the roots of what is the quadratic equation? Px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Understand, ma? So here just observe that here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then here alpha comma beta are the roots. Okay. Now the quadratic equation is px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Then the roots are alpha plus h and beta plus h. Understand? Now what they are asking? And d1 and d2 are the respective discriminants of these equations. So discriminant means first you have to learn discriminant. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac. Okay, b square minus 4ac is called that discriminant. Okay, in that quadratic formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is there. No. So here b square minus 4ac is called that discriminant. Now see here alpha comma beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here what they are asking, discriminant means b square minus 4ac is called that discriminant, that one only denoted by d. But here d1, d2 they given no. So here we need to find the discriminant in the first equation, and in that second equation discriminant is d2. Understand? So here first we need to find the difference of the roots. What is that? Difference of the roots. We already learned that formula related to difference of the roots, no? So alpha minus beta is equal to square root of b square minus 4ac by a. Understand, ma? So b square minus 4ac by a. This is that alpha minus beta already we learnt at that starting. Okay. Now from that second equation, here from this one, the difference of these two roots. So alpha plus h minus beta minus h, which is equals to, here the value is again here alpha minus beta means here again the difference of the roots only, no. So here the difference of the roots means alpha minus beta. Here the difference of the roots means here alpha plus h minus beta plus h. So after we will get this one as alpha plus h minus beta minus h. So again here also we have to use the same formula only, no. But here at the place of b square, so here the equation is ax square plus bx plus c, so that's why b square. So here q is there, so that's why q square minus 4 into, at the place of a, here p is there, so 4 into p into, here c is equal to r. Okay, whole by here a, so a is equal to p. Understand, ma? So from this one plus h and minus h gets cancelled, so alpha minus beta is equal to square root of q square minus 4pr by p. Understand? So now see here, ma, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 here we can observe one thing. What is that? Here alpha minus beta is there, here also alpha minus beta is there. So the difference of these two roots, those two are same values only, no. Alpha minus beta, alpha minus beta. So from this one we can write that if the LHSs are equal, then we can equate that RHS. Okay. So alpha minus beta, alpha minus beta. So that's why here square root of b square minus 4ac by a, which is equals to square root of q square minus square root of q square minus 4pr by p. Understand? Now here just we have to take that b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is the discriminant of first one. Discriminant of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the first equation, no? So that's why let it be take this one as d1. Understand? And q square minus 4pr is the discriminant of px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. This is the second equation. So take this one as discriminant 2. Why? Because two equations they given, that's why we are having here two discriminants. So the first discriminant take it as d1 and the second discriminant take it as d2. Okay, so at the place of b square minus 4ac, that is square root of d1 by a, which is equals to, here this is square root of d2 by p. Okay, now here squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So square root of d1 by a whole square, which is equals to square root of d2 by p whole square. Okay, so here square and root gets cancelled, which is equals to d1 by a square, which is equals to square root and square gets cancelled, so that is d2 by p square. Okay, now here they are asking d1 by d2. So d1 is to d2 value they are asking, no. So that's why here d1 by, here cross multiplication, d1 by d2 is equal to a square by p square. Understand ma? So d1 by d2 is equal to a square by p square. That division only we can write it as d1 is to d2 ratio form, no, which is equals to a square is to p square or a square by p square. Understand? So what is the solution ma here? Answer is a square by p square. So option 1 is the correct answer. Am I clear to you? Yes. So children, let us see that next question ma. So question number 7. So children, see here, the product of real roots of the equation t square x square plus modulus x plus 9 is 0. Okay, so here they are asking product of the real roots. Actually here real roots are there or not, first we have to see that. Why? Because here the x is in that modulus of x. So we can write that x square also modulus of x. But here what I said, if the equation which is in the form of ax square plus b mod x plus c is equal to 0, then number of real roots, already we derived this one, number of real roots. So how many real roots will be formed here? If the equation which is in the form of ax square plus b mod x plus c is equal to 0, then number of real roots is 0. At that starting video we discussed about this one ma. Why? Because here number of real roots is 0 means here this equation we can write it as a modulus of x square plus b modulus of x plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now the equation which is in terms of mod x. Now here real roots how to find means mod x, three conditions there. Greater than 1, less than 1 is equal to 0. Which means greater than 0, less than 0, which is equals to 1. So greater than 0 means positive. So if you apply here positive values, you will get that negative values. If you will take here x is less than 0, then you will get that positive roots. Understand ma? So just check that. So ax square plus b mod x plus c is equal to 0. Later we will see that. So this one we can write it as a modulus of x whole square. So here if you take that x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0 means positive only, no. So again you will get it as modulus of x is equal to x if x is greater than 0. Okay. So mod x is equal to x. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. One example I will tell you that x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, just take this example. Later we will see that question ma. So x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So we can write this one as x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Splitting of that b. Okay. So here x square plus 2x. So take that x as common. So which is equals to x plus 2. Plus take that 3 as common. So here left over x plus 2 which is equal to 0. So from this one take that x plus 2 as common. So here x plus 3 which is equal to 0. Understand? So the product of two roots is equal to 0 means any one of the root must be equal to 0. So x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So here x is equal to plus 2 become as minus 2 and x is equal to plus 3 means minus 3. So So children, when you observe this condition in this case, here we are getting x greater than 0. X means that is nothing but roots of the equation only, no. So here roots of the equation we taken positive greater than 0, but here we got negative roots. So is it satisfying here? No, it is not satisfying. So here number of real roots ma 0 real roots. Why? Because we taken the condition is greater than 0, but we got that less than 0 values. Okay, so that's why here real roots does not exist. And in the same way, if you take in here minus x, I means x is less than 0, okay, then at that cases you will get it as positive values. Okay, plus 2 and plus 3. So in that case also we take in negative x, but here we are getting that positive values. Understand? So in these two cases also we are not getting number of real roots. Understand ma? So the same concept here we have to apply. Okay, this is also in the form of t square is a x square plus b means here nothing is there, b mod x plus c is equal to 0. Same condition only, no. So that's why here how many real roots are there? 0 real roots are there. Okay, so they are asking product of the real roots. Roots only 0, then how to take that product ma? Is it possible? Not possible and does not exist. So answer is does not exist. Understand children? So in this video we learned that 4, 5, 6, 7 questions. So in that next video we will discuss that the leftover questions. Okay, thank you all.